So yes, welcome back to another video, guys, and I did say this was going to be an unboxing, but I've already unboxed it just partly for my grandma to see the locos because she's quite interested in them, and it was a pain to get out, but bearing in mind it's a train pack, they haven't undone all of the coaches that you get with this train pack, so we'll do that right now. So you get 3 coaches, all of the locos that we've unboxed, so the Lord Nelson and the Duke of Gloucester, have been out of the box because we got them just to make sure that they were running fine, which they are, all perfectly. These coaches have never ever been out of the box. It's the first ever time they have been out of their boxes. So you get 1. We'll put them all on the track in a second behind the loco. Two. And the brake coach at the back for the 3rd one. Come on. Oh, this one's not wanting to come out, is it? I'll have to use the thing at the back. Gotta hold the camera and do this. It's an absolute pain because Jack broke the tripod. Still not forgiving him. Lol. Technically it was his anyway, but he still broke it, and it was still round here instead, so there we go. It's out. So that's the front of the box in case you didn't know. So it's going to look like, but I also have these 2. Now one is an LMS coach, which is the front one, but still means we've got one of these which is identical, apart from it's not Hornby. It's the same as these. So what we can do, nearly, we can make a rake of 5 coaches now. So I can stick these 3 together, like so. Put that at the front. This is just going to look like a jigsaw puzzle. Like that. Did I just stand on something? Oh well. So I'm going to stick that behind the Duke of Gloucester. I always do the wrong one, that's just... So, this is the logo, Duke of Gloucester. There is no front coupling, but that's because the detail pack is over there. Yes, if you was wondering in the previous video, the reason why there was no detail pack or instructions is because I took them out when I first got the locos, so that I could keep them safe. And that's why there wasn't any there. So much more modern loco, but still doesn't have sprung buffers on the front. But apart from that, it is still beautiful. So a lot of moulded detail, but there's also quite a bit of separately fitted. That is definitely separately fitted. I can get my nail down the back. That's metal as well. These are definitely metal. So a lot of moulded detail as well, but it's still detail. So in the cab, there is detail, it's just not painted, but it's still a beautiful model. It's certainly still pretty good for this type of model anyway. But really it should be premium. But bearing in mind I got the whole set for 120 quid. That's pretty good, I think. And it is absolutely stunning. It's one of the larger locos. It's an 8p. So this matches Cock of the North strength. So it is pretty big loco. So we will get some shots of this running with its coaches. And we'll also run some Martin Frobisher for you as well. Bit of a disaster. we'll sort that out in a second when we get a picture of Duke of Gloucester coming round. With this lovely train of maroon coaches. Get in. We need to find a gap where Gloucester can come round. I can get all of his coaches in. Right. So I do very much hope you have enjoyed this video today, guys. 2 brilliant locos have just been added to the collection, as well as some lovely coaches which are currently at the back of that lovely long train of maroon coaches. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see any more model railway stuff. And from me, so bye for now.